Well, let's hope that 5 times is a charm. What's up, guys? It's your girl Sophia, RSVP, and I'm back with a new video. I tried to record this video like 4 times and I don't know. It's just, I don't know. I don't even have lashes on today. But anyway, I want to talk to you guys today about the brushes that I've been using to do my makeup. And I've been using brushes by a company called Luxie Beauty. Their brushes are amazing, you guys. I got a few as a gift, and then I slowly started adding to my personal stash. They've kindly sent me some travel brushes that I want to show you guys. But before I show you guys those brushes, I'm going to show you guys my personal stash that I've built up and I've been using for the last 6 months. These are the rose gold brushes that are on the website now. Recently, I bought a foundation brush from a company that on the first wash, the foundation brush handle came apart. It was so disappointing because the brush was like $50. So I probably will never buy a brush from that company again. I really felt like for having these brushes for 6 months and nothing happening, them not falling apart, not even loosening here. This happens if you soak your brushes. Nothing. I've washed these brushes tons and tons of times and they always come out brand spanking new like the first day I got them. I really wanted to show you my personal stash. Whoops! Because I want to show you 2 of my favorite brushes. They have a large powder brush that I think is divine. It does the trick when I'm finishing off my look and I want to dust and set my powder. I use this. But my favorite brush is this one's called the Detail Angled Blender. It's number 130. And if you are as crazy about your brows as I am, this is the brush for you. I conceal my brows underneath and on top, and this brush is what I use to get right in here, blend away the concealer at the top, and then I have no halo. I also can use this to slightly contour my nose and remove any demarcation from the powder when I set my under eye concealer. So to blend everything up really, really nicely and clean, I love, love, love this brush, you guys. So when you get on their site, check it out. So I'm gonna get into the travel brushes and show you what they sent me. They sent me 3 sets of brushes. The first set of brushes is called Luxie Summer Days Brush Set. It's a set of 4 travel brushes. And they look like this. They have like an ombre color on the handle, and the 245 and 209, which are these 2, are what they have come up with for you guys to apply glitter eyeshadows. So glitter eyeshadows for these 2, although you guys know these brushes serve lots of different purposes. You can use these to apply cream concealers and a lot of other things because they're synthetic too. So these are good brushes. You also get an eyeliner brush and a blending brush. And this set comes in 2 colors. But this one is like more of a beige with a pink ombre. But it's the same exact brushes. Same shader, and 209 and 245 I believe are the same. So these sets are really great. They give you enough brushes to pull off a look. I believe you can pull off a look with 4 brushes. I've done this before. So it's a great set to travel with. The set is $29 US. And you guys can get a discount if you use the code SOPHIA when you check out. So go play on the website, check out what they have. They got some double-ended brushes in the other day that I thought were so beautiful. But yeah, so use the code SOPHIA and go ham because I'm in love with these brushes, you guys, and you guys will like them too. The second, okay, so they sent me the 2 sets, and then they also sent me the Luxie Travel Essentials 5-piece brush set. So this one's a little bit more. It's $38. 1 more extra brush. You get spoolie, blender, foundation, blender, angle. These are really nice too. And these ones are not like the other set. These are a short handle. So these are perfect for a little getaway. I know it's the end of summer and these are summer brush sets, but you guys can use these brush sets anytime. There's like, it doesn't matter the color. And the quality of this little travel essentials kit is pretty crazy too. So I want to give away the Luxie Travel Essentials 5-piece brush set to a lucky follower here on Instagram. You're gonna have to do a couple things for me, but I'll make it easy. So you guys know that I do makeup in this boutique. You can book an appointment. So I'm actually trying to build my Luxie brush set so that I have a really nice set for myself personally, and then I have a nice set to use on my customers. So it'll be really great to try out these Summer Days brushes on customers. But the object of the game is to kind of just build up the Luxie and have nice ones like this to use on my customers. So we will get there. But for you guys to win the travel brush set, this is what I need you to do. You guys are going to follow Sophia RSVP, my personal page. You're going to follow my boutique page, which is 988 Concept, and you're going to follow Luxie Beauty as well. Once you guys are following all three of us, which you might be already, that is perfect. The next thing I need you guys to do is to go to my personal page. There's a specific post. It's me from last week in a neon bra and black jeans, and I'm standing taking a picture of the Brooklyn Bridge. Go to that specific post, and all you have to do is go under that post and say, I'm here for the Luxie giveaway. Once you guys do that, I'll collect all those names on Friday, put them in a little thing, and pick a winner. Then I'll announce the winner on Instagram on Saturday morning. How's that? Pretty simple, right, you guys? I will repeat that one more time. All you have to do is follow Sophia RSVP here on Instagram, follow 988 Concept, and follow Luxie Beauty. Go to the Sophia RSVP page, go to the post where I'm taking a picture with blonde hair of the bridge, go right under that comment and put, I'm here for the Luxie giveaway. That's it. It's really, really easy, you guys. I want to thank Luxie Beauty for sending me these brushes. And I want to remind you that if you guys go to Luxie's site and you use the code Sophia, my name, you guys will receive a discount on your purchase. Thanks so much for watching. Good luck on the giveaway, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.